Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can list CJ Dropshipping products on your Shopify store. Now, this is going to be a step-by-step video. All you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistake in this process. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now, I just created this Shopify store just for today, like for this video. Now, what you guys need to do to start listing products from CJ Dropshipping to your own Shopify store, all you need to do, guys, you want to log into your own log in into your Shopify store, and then you want to log in into your CJ Dropshipping account. Now, if you don't have an account on CJ Dropshipping, as you can see here, guys, just search for cjdropshipping.com. If you don't have an account, you just need to click here in the top right for register, and then you can choose how you want to register. Like, for example, you can use Facebook or Google, as you can see, or your Shopify. Now I'm going to register or create an account using my Google account. As you can see here, guys, we have successfully created an account on CJ Dropshipping. Now what you guys need to do is you want to just link or connect Shopify to CJ Dropshipping so that you can start importing products, and if you receive a sale, then CJ will take care of everything and they will ship the product automatically to the customer. Okay, you all need to do, guys, is to add the money to your own CJ Dropshipping account. That's exactly what you need. Okay, now what you guys need to do right now, I'm going to click here on my CJ in the top right, and as you can see here, guys, I am on my account, as you can see on the dashboard of my CJ Dropshipping. Now what you guys need to click here, you want to click where it says here authorization in the left. As you can see here, guys, authorization, and then you want to click on Shopify. Now we are trying to link Shopify to our CJ Dropshipping account. Click on authorize, and then install the CJ Dropshipping app inside your own Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. Now click on install. All right, click again on authorize, click confirm, and click again on authorize. And that's it. As you can see, it says here authorization 6 says CJ will help you make dropshipping business much better. Now what you guys need to do is to find products that you want to list on your Shopify store. Now I'm going to search, for example, makeup. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you just search for makeup, and as you can see, you can find here a bunch of products that you can sell on your Shopify store. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to list a random product. As you can see, okay, by the way, you have to do some research before listing the product, see if it's a winning product or not. I'm going to make another video specifically about how you can find winning products and also how you can advertise on TikTok for free. Okay, now I'm going to just make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make new videos very soon. Now, as you can see, guys, what you guys need to do after you link your Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping, as you can see, we have successfully created an account here. So what you guys need to do is to start listing products. Like I said, I'm going to click on this product. As you can see, just clicked on it right now. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click here where it says list. Okay, after you click, guys, on list here, as you can see here, you will find your Shopify name, as you can see. Now, as you can see, you can also charge tax if you want. I'm not going to charge tax. Now it says here product type. You just need to enter here the product type. I'm going to enter makeup. Okay, this is just an example. All right, now after, guys, you add here, you can also add tags if you want. Okay, so that's it. Now after that, after you please select the category. What you guys need to do, you just need to enter here the product type, for example, makeup. Okay, and then click on this plus button, and then you want to click on list and now. Okay, as you can see, please enter your store price. Of course, you have to enter your store price, and yeah, you just need to click here where it's a variant pricing, and I always like to do this on my Shopify store. Okay, after I list the product from CJ, I always go to the Shopify store and check the product and make some changes there. But here it's like forcing me to change everything here. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can see here, guys, where it says the price here, or it says variant pricing, as you can see the top, you just need to enter the price that you are going to sell this for on your Shopify store. And as you can see, it says here the dropshipping, the CJ dropshipping price is $8, the shipping fee is $6, the total dropshipping price is $14. So of course you have to increase it, for example, to $26, because you still have to pay for advertising on Facebook if you are advertising on Facebook. Now after you add all these things, you can also remove some pictures. You can just uncheck some pictures here. Now I'm going to click here and I'm going to list the product. Now just click on list it now, and as you can see, it says here listing in progress. Now this listing exactly is going to be listed on our Shopify store. Just give it a few seconds and this exact product is going to be on our Shopify store right now. Now as you can see, this is the product that we have imported from our our CG account to our Shopify store, as you can see. Now all you need to focus on is to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Now after you receive a sale, CG will take care of everything and you will be able, guys, to ship the product automatically to the customer. But before you do that, okay, after you receive a sale on Shopify, you have to go to CG and you have to add money so that CG will use that money to ship the product to the customer. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have any question you don't understand, just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, like I said. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and let me know in the comments, like I said, any question you have. See you guys in the next video.